Hello guys, back again, another video on unboxing the new Moonraker mini dual band radio called the Metis. Let's see what we actually get in the box. First, a comprehensive, no doubt, user manual. I'll look through that later when we do other videos. And what do we actually get out the box? Well, first this side, I don't know the actual length of this cable, but that's the remote head cable for this. Looks to be a decent length. The actual other half to the power cable, directly for a car accessory unit, the old cigarette lighter. Not too sure if I have one in my car. I don't smoke anyway, so it doesn't necessarily matter, but I may need to get another one of these with potentially power pole on the end, because I power things with power pole connectors. But we can worry about that later. Usual bracket for the head, I think. All the screws and everything else in that bag. DTMF microphone, and the bracket underneath. I won't take that out. I'll take this out though. Got it up, got it the right way up. The Moonraker Metis. Can't power it at the moment to turn it on so you can see the screen. Control buttons and squelch. VFO. And obviously the volume. At the back it would have a data port pin for the data cable. There's probably a microphone socket there as well. Power cord, fused power cord. 2039 unit there for the antenna. And a reasonable size fan there. Fittings at the back for the bracket, and connection here to take the head off. I won't take the head off because I'm just one-handed. That's the Moonraker Metis dual band transceiver. 25 watts VHF, up to 25 watts VHF and up to 20 watts on VHF. Comes with pre-programmed UK repeaters. Information is on the box, which I can show you. I'll turn everything down there. 270 sems. Also the broadcast channels, 76 to 108 megahertz. 200 channels on the steps. Usual CCTS DMF tones. Fox-free operation, and dual band standby, monitoring VHF and UHF simultaneously. Oh, didn't pronounce that correctly, did I? Put my teeth in. And that's the Moonraker Metis mini radio, and at first glance it's built well, but it is actually small compared to this plate mat, as you can see. Now it does actually belong to the same family as other radios. The Moonraker Metis shares its core design and chassis with other well-known imported mini mobile transceivers. It is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, variant of the popular QYT KT7900D, and similar rebranded radios like the Sane Sonic, never heard of it, the GT890, or the Radio Oddity variants. What it shares is the hardware. It utilises exactly the same compact physical layout, dual band standby circuitry and multicolour display structure. Like I said, the specifications are identical to the 25 watt VHF Excuse me, I'll put that there. We can look at the radio as well. Features identical 25 watts VHF, 20 watts UHF power limits, 277 frequency, and a DTMF microphone. However, Moonraker customises it whilst it shares the same hardware platform. Moonraker UK adds regional specific adjustments to different IT from the generic imports. I'm trying to get more information up. Hang on a minute. Stop my mobile phone from moving. Pre-programmed out the box, the firmware is modified especially for the UK European market, arriving with pre-programmed UK repeaters and custom channel codeplugs. Warrant and local support purchase. The Metis variant provides local consumer support and a UK warranty directly from Moonraker, rather than having to deal with overseas factories and obviously sellers like AliExpress, Temu, or wherever you're actually buying your radio from. It's always a good idea if you can get a variant just as good as the original. You get a guarantee, and it's going to be difficult to get a guarantee from overseas, or deal with any overseas customer service and everything else, sending it back and everything else. So that's equivalent on there. Nice looking radio. I don't have a ruler next to me, that I can't find out the size of it. Be nice to get the head off, but I've only got one arm at the moment because the other one's on the phone. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe. I get this in the car all wired up, and I can show you a demonstration. That's for another video. So there you guys, all the best. Bye for now.